All right, the first method that we'll discuss is undetermined coefficients, which is easier to apply, but it only works in special cases. And so here, let's find a particular solution of our equation y double prime minus 5y prime plus 6y equals 6e to the 4t. And the idea behind undetermined coefficients is to guess your particular solution to be of the same form as the right-hand side. And in particular, no pun intended, there are three rules. The first one being, if the right-hand side so I'll abbreviate it as RHS, is e to the something t, or like constant times e to the something t, you just guess your particular solution to be a constant times e to the something. So a times e to the RT. So here, you just guess yp to be a e to the 4t, because we had 6e to the 4t, and you plug in. And plug in, because we have y double prime minus 5y prime plus 6y is 6e to the 4t. So ae to the 4t double prime minus 5 ae to the 4t prime plus 6 ae to the 4t equals 6 e to the 4t. Now, if you differentiate e to the 4t once, you get 4e to the 4t. If you do it twice, you get 4 times 4. So 16a to the 4t, and then minus 5a times 4e to the 4t, and then plus 6a to the 4t equals 6e to the 4t. Now notice all the e to the 4t's, they cancel out because it's positive. And we then get 16a minus 20a plus 6a equals 6. And I think that simplifies to 2a equals 6. And so a equals 3. Which tells you what is your particular solution. Before we had ae to the 4t with a equals 3. So in this case, it's 3e to the 4t. 3e to the 4t. Just like we got in the previous video. Now, in the next video, we'll do rule 2.